Review activity. Flashcards. When you are finished doing all the readings and learning activities in a unit, you can do a flashcards activity. It's a great way to review all the content in that unit. I'll click on the Rights and Responsibilities unit to begin. The flashcards activity is near the bottom of many units. I'll scroll down past all the readings and learning activities and click on the flashcards link. There are 10 flashcards in this activity. You can see the number here. You can read the 10 questions before you begin. I'll scroll down quickly to show you. This is a very important step you must do to begin. To see the flashcards, you have to click on this drop-down menu and choose Single View. The first flashcard appears. Read the question, what is the name of the British document from 1215 that much of Canadian law is based on? And then click on the Flip the Card button. Click on the number 2 button to go to the next flashcard. From what 2 countries does much of Canadian law come from? Think about the answer, and then when you're ready, click on the Flip the Card button. The answer is England and France. Try to do all 10 questions. Many students think it's a good idea to do them again, to put them into your long-term memory. That's the end of this tutorial. Use these buttons at the bottom of the page or the breadcrumbs at the top to navigate to different parts of this unit.